Elon Musk has been at the forefront of innovation, disrupting industries and shaping the future of humanity. One of the most significant areas where Musk has made a profound impact is in the automotive industry, particularly with Tesla, a company he co-founded in 2003. With a vision to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, Musk has been a pioneer in electric vehicles, EVs, and autonomous driving technology. In recent years, China has emerged as a crucial market for Tesla, and Musk has been actively promoting the adoption of full self-driving (FSD) capabilities in Tesla cars. In this article, we will delve into the significance of Elon Musk's vision for FSD in China, the advancements made by Tesla, and the potential implications of this technology on the Chinese automotive landscape. China has been at the forefront of EV adoption, with the government setting ambitious targets to promote the growth of the EV industry. The Chinese government has been offering incentives and subsidies to encourage EV adoption, which has led to a rapid increase in EV sales. According to a report by the International Energy Agency, IEA, China accounted for more than 50% of global EV sales in 2020. The country's EV market is expected to continue its upward trend, driven by government support, declining battery costs, and increasing consumer demand. Tesla, with its innovative approach to EVs, has been a key player in China's EV market. Musk has been actively engaging with the Chinese government and automotive industry stakeholders to promote the adoption of EVs and autonomous driving technology. In 2020, Tesla opened its Gigafactory 3 in Shanghai, marking a significant milestone in the company's expansion in China. The factory has been designed to produce up to 500,000 vehicles per year, with a focus on the Chinese market. Tesla has been a pioneer in autonomous driving technology, with Musk being a vocal advocate for the development of FSD capabilities. The company has been working on FSD technology for several years, with the goal of enabling vehicles to operate without human intervention. In 2020, Tesla released its FSD beta software, allowing select customers to test the technology on public roads. Tesla's FSD technology is based on a sophisticated software platform that uses a combination of cameras, radar, LiDAR, and ultrasonic sensors to detect and respond to the environment. The system is designed to learn from real-world driving data, improving its performance over time. Musk has emphasized the importance of leveraging machine learning algorithms to enable vehicles to adapt to diverse driving scenarios. The Chinese government has been actively promoting the development of autonomous driving technology, recognizing its potential to drive economic growth and improve road safety. In 2020, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology (MIIT) issued guidelines for the development of autonomous driving in China, emphasizing the need for collaborative efforts between industry stakeholders and government agencies. China has also been investing heavily in infrastructure development, including the creation of dedicated lanes for autonomous vehicles. The city of Shanghai, in particular, has been at the forefront of autonomous driving development, with the Shanghai municipal government launching the Shanghai Autonomous Driving Development Plan in 2020. Elon Musk's vision for full self-driving capabilities in Tesla cars has far-reaching implications for the Chinese automotive industry. With the Chinese government's support for autonomous driving development,